Would you be my girlfriend? Would you be my girlfriend? You know I like you, right? But would you be my girlfriend? Listen.
I don't know why you care.
Why you thinking about it, mama?
He doesn't even know you're there. Oh no, 'cause he don't love your eyes.